Hi guys, this is PROTO team. My name is Javier Lopez,
My name is Jonathan Perez.
and we are currently enrolled in Professor Davidian G101 class for 2014. Today we will be demonstrating our prototype Stirling engine final design project.
Okay guys, I will be pointing out the main components for the alpha type Stirling engine, consisting of the displacer chamber, bottom and top plate, the power piston, the displacer rods, the crankshaft, and the flywheels.
Now let's see how it works. To make an alpha engine run, you need a difference in temperature between the top plate and the bottom plate. As you see, I have a plate called metal right here. The bottom plate should be several degrees lower than the top plate. I'm gonna give now to the flywheel a little push and see what happens. When the flywheel is rotated, it moves the displacer down inside the cylinder. The displacer being moved down causes the air that is below to move above it. The air is moving from here to here. So the air that was down at the cold lower plate is coming into contact with the warmer top plate. This causes the air inside the main cylinder to get a slight increase in temperature. If the temperature of gas is increased, the pressure also increases.
The power piston is being forced upward, which causes the flywheel to rotate. This pushes the displacer further down inside the main cylinder. The displacer is now covering the bottom plate. As a result, most of the air in the engine is warm. The momentum of the flywheel is now needed to keep the engine running. It pulls the displacer away from the bottom plate. With the displacer now moving upwards, the air inside the main cylinder is coming into contact with the cold lower plate. The temperature is now cooling. The decreasing air temperature forces the power piston downwards and causes the flywheel to spin. As you can see here, the Proto team successfully finished the Alpha Stirling engine. Yeah, the house.
So eso es de